Today we'll be going through University of Manchester Global Future Scholarship 2025-2026. This scholarship is currently open and the deadline for application is August 31st, 2025. We are proud to offer awards totaling more than £4.5 million to international students starting their studies in September 2025. Scholarships are open to both undergraduate and master students holding an offer from the university for full-time study on campus in Manchester. To be eligible for a Global Future Scholarship, you must be living in one of the countries listed below and be self-funded. So this scholarship might not be for everyone or every country. So let's quickly go through the list of eligible countries for the scholarship. Right here, I can see Bangladesh, Botswana, Canada, Egypt, Ghana, India, Indonesia, Kenya, Malaysia, Nigeria, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Africa, Sri Lanka, Taiwan, Thailand, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, United States, Vietnam, and Zimbabwe. So if I mentioned your country here, just know that you are eligible to apply for the scholarship. And it's also important that you click on your respective country on this list to see the eligibility criteria, because it is specified here that the level of award, the eligibility criteria, and the application deadline differ for each region. So check your country profile for specific details. And one of the things you also need to know is that for you to apply for this scholarship, you must hold an offer of a study place at the University of Manchester for a course that will start in September 2025, because you'll be required to submit an online application form that will be emailed to all relevant offer holders. So if you currently hold an offer for a course that will be starting in September 2025, I would encourage you to apply for this scholarship. And if you're yet to submit your application, it's also important you can go through the university website, University of Manchester, to see if the application window is still open so you can quickly apply. So if you are from any of these countries, we can just use one of them as example. Let's say Nigeria. Let's say you're from Nigeria. What you need to do is just to click on Nigeria and go through the information there. You can see here Nigeria scholarships for University of Manchester. This particular scholarship, which is Global Future Scholarships 2025. Here are the list of the things you need to go through. For undergraduate awards, you need to come and read the award details, the eligibility criteria, and then how to apply. For master's awards, you also need to come and go through the award details, the summary of eligibility criteria, and then how to apply. The Masters University of Manchester is proud to offer more than 230 merit-based master's scholarships to prospective international students from a range of countries across the globe. The value of the scholarship for African students is £15,000 scholarship, and it will be awarded in the form of discounts on the overseas tuition fees. The following list of African countries are eligible to apply. I've already listed them earlier, but let me quickly call them out: Botswana, Egypt, Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. So for applicants that will be applying from the above listed countries, please note that the application form will be made available to you once you have applied and have been made an offer. For the award details, you can click on this plus sign. I've already read out that £15,000 will be applied to your overall tuition fee, and it will come in form of a discount. For the eligibility criteria, you must hold an unconditional offer for a full-time on-campus master's course. I've mentioned this already. Please, you just have to come here and go through this. If you're applying from Nigeria or some of those African countries I mentioned, just come here and go through the rest of the eligibility criteria, because there's no way I will read out all this. The video is going to be long. Just like this information that they noted here, that applicants for MBA, Master of Philosophy, Master of Architecture, Architecture and Urbanism, Master of Landscape Architecture, Postgraduate Certificate in Education, Clinical Medicine and Dentistry degrees are not eligible for the award. So it's important to come and go through this. For an applicant that will be applying for an MBA program, just know that you are not eligible to apply. The same thing is applicable to the undergraduate study. the award details. You can click on it to go through the award details. I think they are offering £8,000 for the first year of study, with a further £8,000 awarded in the second and third year of study. Okay, for the eligibility criteria for the undergraduate, the same thing is almost the same. So you come and go through it. Then, if you are from other countries like Australia, Belgium, Cameroon, and the rest of them, click on your region and go through this so that you know the eligibility criteria, the award details, and every other detail you need to know regarding the scholarship. I think that's all we need to know about this, and I will encourage you to apply if you already hold an unconditional offer to study at the University of Manchester, and if you hold a conditional offer, do everything possible to submit the required documents in order to receive your unconditional offer so you can proceed to submit the application for the Global Futures Scholarship. I wish you the best of luck as you apply. Thank you for watching. Best of luck. Remember to like and subscribe and share this video so that your friends can equally benefit from the video. Bye for now.